Looking through ECCO, an overwhelming emphasis on authenticity was driven into every motion of production, from the material choice down to the care taken in stitching together each pair. Authentic became my meeting ground. I worked to develop on exactly what authentic meant to me. Building around this, I worked to create a structure that moved with the body, to become an extension of self. I started observing closer on how people walked, the shape of the foot, the motions taking on and off a shoe, and how each design offered a new story on where, when, and how they could be worn. I've concentrated the bulk of the lines to be around the mid to back section. This is due to the ribbing being the main frame of support. Also, it shows where the weight of the shoe is to be placed. By freeing up the front, it gives the shoe a lighter and more agile feel. I remember sitting along the metro, noticing the ribbing along my jacket, how it easily adapted to my form. And taking that same concept, I started applying it to each one of my designs. And with that, it gave me the ability to not only take out the laces while keeping a versatile form, but it also let it show the contouring of movement. What's really important to me because I'm constantly wanting to stimulate the desire to move. Drawing back to the idea of authenticity and ribbing, the material of choice was heavily dictated by the need to make the user feel and see the shoe as responsive yet natural. A polyester knit blend incorporated both of these needs. It allowed the shoe to be stretchable yet have the same durability and also keeping the organic undertone. Throughout this entire process, I've been trying to narrow down what authentic meant to me. And firstly, I found that authentic meant the design moved with the body. Instead of directing the body, it responded to it, meaning that the design was rather more of an experience. It meant comfort and fluidity for the user. It didn't just become a stylized shoe. It wasn't just something pretty to look at. From the moment the shoe actually went on the foot to the moment they put it back on their shelf, I wanted that entire experience to be comfortable and a reflection of who the user was and where they were going. What interests me so much about design is how it's not individually about the physical fit. It's also about the mental fit too. The backbone behind each of my designs is the drive to humanize the inanimate, to bring a warmth to the design that invites the user in. Scrolling through ECCO, I see the same incorporation, how there's a high degree of the human touch behind each design. ECCO's pairing with PENSOLE isn't just a great opportunity to learn about footwear design, but it's a company that resonates with my own passion to make products that are both personal yet innovative. Making shoes that are an experience waiting to be had. Making shoes that are authentic in the sense of creating personal connections to each individual. To wrap it up, my name's Rebecca Shear, and I hope to be part of ECCO's pairing with PENSOLE Academy. Thank you for looking at my designs.